Guys, today we're going to be doing a muffler delete on my truck. I'm going to cut the muffler off. Let me show you guys where I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it about maybe an inch or so away from here. Let's stay in focus. About an inch or so away from this weld, maybe 2 inches on each side. I'm gonna cut it with the sawzall, and then I got some nice, exhaust clamps. Got some nice exhaust clamps here, stainless steel exhaust clamps. If you're interested, this is the part number. They're 3.5 inch stainless steel exhaust clamps. And I'm going to be using a Milwaukee saw to cut this thing apart. I'm not going to show you guys the cutting. I think everybody knows how to use a sawzall. But I'll show you guys once I'm done cutting it and the whole process putting the clamps on. Okay guys, I already cut the muffler off. It's this big old chunk right here. You guys can see that or not. It's a Flowmaster Pro Series muffler. And this is the pipe that I'm going to put. I've already put one of the clamps on loosely, just so that I can slide it on once I'm done here. Let me set this up right here, and I'll show you guys how to put them on. Okay, you get the clamp, and you put it around, then you close it, put the holes through there. Get this other piece, put it over that. Okay. And then you put the bolts. Now once you put it on, sorry about that, that was a bus, you can slide it back and forth over the other pipe so that you don't have to be trying to put it on while it's down there. But that's more or less to say. As you can see, it moves around easily. It'll be the same once it's on the pipe. Then we go down there and put it on, and I'll show you guys what it sounds like in a little bit. Guys, I already got one on. I'm going to be installing the second one here. I want to show you guys how you do it. Okay. First, you give it a squeeze. Tighten them up as much as you can by hand. Another thing that I've seen is a lot of people just use their impact. If they have an impact on them, electric or air, I've seen them use it. These things are pretty strong, so you can use pretty hardcore tightening techniques. Okay. Solo one. Okay. And check this out, guys. I got an extending ratchet. You guys will not know, wouldn't believe how in handy that comes in all the time. That extra length really makes a difference when you're tightening. You get that extra leverage. should be plenty tight. There you go. Super secure. I mean, I've seen people, when they do this, sometimes they have a leak. What I've seen them do is use some high temperature silicone. The one that I've personally used that worked really good was the copper high temperature silicone, and that one worked super good. I used that when I had installed my header. I put a little bit on each side of the header gasket, and never had an issue until I took it to a shop and they took it off. After that, I had a header leak. Still have it. It's not too big, but yeah, that's that high temp copper silicone. Works super good. Alright guys, now that we've finished, let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. Now this has a 3.5 inch exhaust all the way from the headers to the back. 3.5 inch exhaust. Let's hear what this puppy sounds straight piped. Now I do have a cam in it, so you'll probably, after it warms up, you'll hear some popping. This thing is really loud. There you go, guys. That's a Stage 2 Texas Speed and Performance truck cam with a 3.5 inch straight pipe out to the back. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. If you guys like my content, check out my other videos. I have a couple of the videos out there. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.